How to install VS Code? So for that, first you go here and search for VS Code and click on this site link, and here you will click on this download for Windows. When your file is downloaded, then click on this, then accept and follow the wizard default options. Click finish. Now it's downloaded and you are able to see, means you are able to create a thing. Let's create a one, you can say HTML file hello.or index.html, and here let's save this file. Index.html. Now it's created, and to HTML file, this is a shortcut, and now our page is ready for this. Let's say h1 hello friends. Save this. Thank you. Thanks for your time.